LYFE. Set your plants free. Designed in Sweden by our talented team, in line with Nordic elegance and minimalism. LYFE consists of a planter that hovers over an oak base via magnetic levitation, gently rotating during suspension. The magnetic field of the Earth has powerful effects on all life forms, especially plants. We've been investigating the effects of magnetism on plants as LYFE uses maglev technology. Studies have shown that plants surrounded by a magnetic field tend to grow faster, taller, bigger, and healthier, as measured by plant height, leaf size, and selected parameters related to their health status.